Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And if you are going to make these rings in silver, I would advise you a thickness of 2 mm. And if you are going to use gold, I would advise a thickness of 1.5 mm. And the first way of making a ring is the most precise one, and that is by measuring. To measure correctly, make sure that the top of your silver is nicely straight angled and that the piece of silver that you're working with is straightened out. Let's say that you want to have a ring with an inner diameter of 16.5, that's a European ring size. Then you'll add the thickness of the material, which is 2 mm, and you multiply that number by 3.14. So now I know that the length of my ring strip should be 85.09 millimeters long. And now we have our piece of wire and we need to bend it into a ring shape. You can use your half-rounded pliers for this. Make sure the half-rounded part is on the inside and simply bend over. And I'm going to do the same from both sides. And you don't have to create a ring shape just yet. It's all about making sure that these ends will connect. And if the metal is a bit too hard for you to bend, then anneal it. And make sure that these ends connect perfectly, because the borexine will protect my silver from fire scale or fire stain. And when the structure of the borexine has changed, you can add a little ball of hard solder. And try to use hard solder whenever you can, because this has the highest amount of pure silver, so it will be the strongest joint. And if your solder isn't melting, then try to heat up your flame a bit. And as long as you use a plastic or a wooden mallet, you won't damage your silver or gold. And I'm going to stop right here for today. We are going to use some of these rings in the upcoming tutorials in the next couple of days. So I am not going to polish them right now.